Dr. Srivastava, bringing you in here, one often reads about something called cancer villages of this, village after village, or every person in this village has a case of cancer. We talked about the Yamuna belt. Do you see a geographical connection? A lot of doctors also talk about, like I said, Yamuna, not just in Delhi, but flowing through, and, all the chemicals that are going through from Haridwar to here. Some research has gone into it, but from your experience, does geography play a role in cancer?
See, about the Ganga belt and Yamuna belt, definitely there are too many cancer cases
Can you
happening.
hold it close?
So, interestingly, we were having a discussion about this a few weeks ago with my senior colleagues. So, one of them pointed out that probably the land around these rivers has been the most fertile land. Most of the cultivation has happened here. So, hence, most of the pesticides, insecticides, and chemicals have gone into it, and the industrial waste. So, probably that is the reason behind these cancers along these rivers. But there are other important things about geographical location. Say, for example, dietary habits. There are studies which have been done on the immigrant population, and they have seen that when people immigrate from this country to another country, if they immigrate late, the cancer risks they remain same. But if someone is born there, their risk of cancer is almost the same as that population. So probably it's the dietary habits, along with the climate, all of these.